Starting off our tasty dinner with some rice, a roni. We'll just go ahead, spread that over the bottom quickly, and then grab that seasoning packet that's right in there with that box. You're just gonna open up that bad boy and just sprinkle that right on top. It doesn't have to be particular. All these flavors are gonna bake together and be phenomenal regardless. That looks perfect. Then of course you're gonna wanna come in with 2 cups of water because I have it on hand now. If you wanna use a chicken broth and really flavor up this rice-a-roni, you can, but it's definitely not necessary because wait until you see what we're doing. So I have 2 cups of water and now I have some chicken breast. So I'm gonna put the chicken breast right there in this water with the rice-a-roni. So that's also gonna bake in with this rice and that liquid, and that is just going to make it so tasty. It's going to give flavor to that water and all of that rice. Oh my gosh, look at how amazing that looks already. Now, as soon as you have all of that chicken in there, you're gonna carefully slide it over to the side and right away bring in your mixing bowl. You're gonna grab some mayonnaise, about a half of a cup to a cup, and I'd say that's good. I'm not too crazy, you guys. I just like to mix up a lot of this stuff because it is so tasty with the chicken. Now I have Parmesan cheese. Same thing. I'm gonna add about the same amount of Parmesan cheese as I did mayo. So it looks like maybe about a cup of Parmesan cheese, but once again, depending on how much you wanna make, a half a cup to a cup will be so perfect on top of these. Now add a little bit of garlic powder to that. If you don't like garlic, then you can leave it off, but it does add really great flavor in with the mayo and Parmesan cheese. And oh my goodness, you guys, when this bakes, it is so delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and take a minute to mix that all together just to coat that cheese along with that mayonnaise and make sure that that's the consistency that I want to work with today. And either way, as that Parm cheese bakes in, it gets so gooey and so delicious. In fact, I think I'm going to add just a little bit more Parmesan cheese to that mix, thickening it up just a little bit. Oh yeah. And this is the way that I do it. So if you want to measure it out, go for it. If you want to eyeball it, go for it. Like I said, I've never had any issues, and this always turns out so super tasty. Okay, so that consistency is perfect. That's exactly what I want. So I'm gonna bring this chicken right back in here, bam, just like that. Now I have this delicious cheese mayo mixture that I'm just gonna slap on top of this chicken. And don't worry, it's gonna stay put. And when that starts to bake, ooh, we are in for a treat tonight, you guys. I am starving, hungry, and looking for something super easy to do. This is definitely one of my go-tos. So you can see just how much mixture is just gonna be how much you're gonna put on top of the chicken. And trust me when I say you won't be mad about this because it is so good and this flavor is gonna be so good. And when that chicken bakes in with that rice, even better. So we have like this creamy, cheesy chicken. Then we have that rice underneath there. That's gonna pair so good and easy peasy. Look at that. We have those chicken breasts fully locked and loaded. So we are ready for action here, you guys. I'm gonna grab some foil here and I'm gonna place this nice and tightly right on the top of this chicken so we can just lock in. That way all that rice-a-roni is just gonna bake to perfection along with that chicken. So I'm gonna carefully place this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna take the foil off and cook it for another 10 minutes and stick around. You guys are gonna love this easy dinner all in one. I mean, I'm not mad at it. Oh my goodness. Woo! This looks amazing. Look at that on the top of the chicken, that golden brown from the Parmesan cheese. The rice looks phenomenal. It smells great. I even let it cool down a little bit because I cannot wait to dig in. And I'm gonna add a little bit of green onion on top because I love onion. You guys know that by now. And of course, I love the color adding with this chicken. Let me tell you what, the house smells amazing. I know that this chicken is gonna be tender and all of that topping right there, next level, you guys. Next level. Let's just spread that out, make it nice and purty here. Look at that. I'm impressed. I could just look at it and be satisfied. Oh, okay, so that's so tender. So I'm gonna feed you, David. I know that you're starving. Yeah. And of course, as always, I appreciate your help. So do you have a specific piece? I was gonna get this one in the front, but fine. I'm open for anything. Okay, let's lift this right out. Look at that chicken and all of that rice.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Look at that on the outside. I mean, that's just like perfection right there. I'm gonna give you a little bit more rice.
That is perfection right there. I cannot wait to share it with you. So get over here and give it a try.
On my way.
I'm so excited.
And did you know that the more things that you allow yourself to be excited about, the better that you feel? It's like life's easiest hack. So check out the topping on this. It is something to get excited about. I can't wait for you to just kind of get the fork in there. I want to see how tender the chicken is. All right, dig into that. Oh, that looks nice and tender.
Wow.
All of that cheese and the rice.
Wow.
How is that?
Amazing.
Oh, what an easy dinner, you guys. And you know what? You could totally throw some veggies in this if you really want some veggies, and then it will definitely be a one-stop shop. Whatever you think, let me know in the comments, you guys. Thanks for being a part of this community. I will have that recipe linked in the comments below. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.